As a YouTuber or as a content creator who want to be a coach, or you want to be teaching people on how to actually do one or two things, you are to learn how to properly present your teachings or your coaching content. And so in this video, I'll be guiding you the proper steps on how to actually frame your. I've seen a lot of people asking me, sir, how do you frame yourself in a phone stickers? This is actually very simple, and doing this or framing your work in a phone stickers actually give you an edge or make your own work look more unique than others, and you will see more people vibing and understanding, because framing yourself in a phone stickers will also give you room to be able to put yourself in one corner whereby you are teaching or you are helping them to see what the content that you are teaching is all about. But when you cannot frame it, I've seen a lot of people, they don't know how to frame, they just put their screen recording anyhow, which is not helping. All you just to do, you go ahead and subscribe. In case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, go ahead, subscribe, so that you get to learn, or whenever I make videos like this, you get to learn enough. And again, I make videos on YouTube, on Facebook and other platforms. All right, so now let's go. Let me show you how to do this. This is actually very simple. All right, let's go. All right, go ahead and open your CapCut. Either you're using iPhone or Android phone. Okay, so when you open your CapCut, go ahead and choose the video you might want to use or that you want to frame. So we're actually looking for a video. So I'm going to be using this particular teaching, this one that I just recorded. So I'm going to be framing it in a phone sticker. So I'll bring it in. So when you bring it into CapCut, the first thing you're going to do is to properly reduce it. Okay, so when the reason why you're reducing it is because you want to have a very nice view for it. So now we want to round the edge, because this edge is 4 corners, so it's not going to sit proper in our phone frame. So because we want it to sit in our phone frame, we are going to look for mask. Okay, this mask allow us to make the edges to be round. So you click on mask. So when you click on mask, go ahead and click on the rectangle. We're going to be using rectangle. So when you choose your rectangle, go ahead and properly position it. So when you properly position or scale it, so now you're going to see your edge adjuster. Look at that, your edge adjuster. You see me touching it. So drag it to the left, and it's going to give you a round edge. So having this round edge will enable you have a proper way to sit your teachings in your phone sticker. So click on the confirm button. So now come to text. Click on that text you're seeing there, and then go ahead and click on phone stickers. So when you click on phone stickers, it's going to open like this. Go ahead and search for phone stickers. Okay, type phone stickers. In case this is the first time you're seeing my video, please don't forget to leave a comment and also share this video already. All right, so now it's going to bring out all those phone stickers examples. So but I'm going to be choosing the first one. I like to use the first one, so choose it and then properly position it and then scale it, meaning like expand it to fit. Okay, properly expand to fit. You can see me expanding and adjusting it. So also adjust the video properly to sit in. So after everything have sit in, activate the phone sticker and then stretch it to the end of the video, because we want the phone sticker to get to the end of the video. You can see me stretching it. So after you have properly stretched it, go ahead and delete the watermark and make sure that everything is fine. As you can see, everything is very, very okay. All right, so when you discover that everything is okay, go ahead and export your video. Now this is actually very, very important, especially when you are doing teaching content. This enable you to frame yourself. Okay, and I've seen a lot of people asking me, how do you frame yourself? You can see these are I frame myself, or if I'm not using a detail app, I can as well use CapCut to frame myself like this. So this actually help you as well. Go watch my other editing tutorial. You can see this is an episode, so meaning I have other episode of video editing that can help you as a content creator. So please share this video and let's have a benefit. Right, thank you.